Hello students, this is the continuation of the previous video of chapter 3, Court and their importance. Open page number 23, Judgment of Gabbar. Now this is another example to, to make understand you regarding the procedure of the court, that if we are not satisfied with the justice, where we can appeal further and get justice. There was a village called Ranpur. The head of that village was Lalji Mukhi. It was winter. One day, while returning home from the farm late in the evening, a car suddenly stopped near him. A few men got down from the car, attacked him, and left him badly injured. The person who attacked him was known as a ruffian Gabbar. So, this is the story of a village called Ranpur, where the head of that village was Lalji Mukhi, and this Lalji Mukhi was returning home from his farm. उसके खेत में से घर आ रहा था late in the evening and it was dark. At that time, a car suddenly stopped near him. एक गाड़ी उसके सामने आके रुक गई. Few men got down from the car and attacked him. कुछ लोग वो कार में से बाहर आए और उसके ऊपर हमला किया. And left him badly injured. उसको मारा, घायल कर दिया. And the person who attacked, the name was Rufyan Gabbar. Mukhi filed a case against Gabbar and got him arrested. Gabbar was asked to remain present in the court. So Mukhi filed a case. Mukhi ने केस दाखिल किया. And after filing the case, Gabbar was arrested. पुलिस ने उसको पकड़ लिया. And he was asked to remain present in the court. उसको अभी कोर्ट में हाजिर होना था. After the argument from both the lawyers, the judgment was passed in Gabbar's favor. Thus, Gabbar was set free and Mukhi did not get justice. So in the court, the case was there, and after the argument from both the lawyer, the judgment was passed. क्या फैसला आया? In Gabbar's favor. And like this, Gabbar was set free. वो निर्दोष छूट गया. And the मुखिया, he did not get the justice. उसको न्याय नहीं मिला. Gabbar kept threatening Mukhi repeatedly and even threatened to kill him. Mukhi was fed up of this and thus decided to appeal in the High Court. So, after setting free, Gabbar started threatening. वो धमकी देने लगा, धमकाने लगा. And also threatened to kill him. उसको मार डालने की भी धमकी देने लगा मुखी को. So now Mukhi was fed up of this and so he appealed in the High Court. The High Court heard the arguments from both the sides. Judgment of the High Court was different from that of the District Court. So in the District Court, Gabbar had won the case. So Mukhi, he appealed in the High Court. So this incident is for the explanation or understanding that if you are not satisfied with the decision of the District Court, you can go further in the High Court for justice. So this Mukhi, he did the same thing. He went into the High Court. In the High Court, the argument of both the parties were heard by the judge, and after hearing the argument, the judge gave the decision that was quite different from the District Court. Gabbar was convicted and Mukhi finally got justice. So what was the decision? That Gabbar was found guilty and Mukhi got the justice. Hence, if a person doesn't get justice from the District Court, he or she can appeal in the High Court. So this lesson from the story, or what you learn from the story, is that if you don't get justice in the District Court, you can appeal in the High Court and you can get the justice if you are right. Things to know: every district has a criminal code. The policemen arrest criminal on the basis of complaint filed against them. क्रिमिनल्स जिसने गुनाह किया होता है, उस कंप्लेंट के आधार पर पुलिस उनको गिरफ्तार करती है, अरेस्ट. criminal get punishment like penalty, life imprisonment or death sentence on the basis of that crime committed by him or her. Then when they are taken to the prison or the punishment is decided on the basis of their crime, उन लोगों ने क्या गुनाह किया है उसके आधार पर सज़ा सुनाई जाती है, जैसे लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट आजीवन कैद, डेथ सेंटेंस फांसी की सज़ा, पेनल्टी जुर्माना भरना पड़ता है, थेफ्ट, रॉबरी, ड्यूल, मर्डर, फिजिकल हार्म और एनी काइंड ऑफ फाइट कम अंडर क्रिमिनल केसेस. सो क्रिमिनल केसेस के अंदर कौन कौन से आते हैं क्राइम? तो थेफ्ट चोरी, लूटपाट, रॉबरी, मर्डर, खून, फिजिकल हार्म. When the police get to know about a crime for the first time, an FIR, first information report, is registered. So when a crime is taken place, then first of all the police writes FIR, that is first information report, is registered. Now turn your page number 24. Think, there was a small village named Ratanpur where Jamshedji, a magician, lived. One day a thief robbed his house, but he did not know what to do, and so he came out of the house shouting for help. So this is another incident where a person named Jamshedji, who was a magician, जादूगर था, and a thief robbed his house, चोर उसके घर में चोरी कर गए, एंड ही डिड नॉट नो व्हाट टू डू, उसको मालूम नहीं पड़ा कि क्या करे वो. सो ही केम आउट ऑफ द हाउस एंड स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग फॉर हेल्प. सो बाहर निकल के लोगों को आवाज़ देने लगा कि मदद करो मदद करो. एवरीवन केम आउट ऑफ देयर हाउसेस बट द थीफ मैनेज टू एस्केप. सो व्हेन ही वाज शाउटिंग फॉर हेल्प ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम, द थीफ जो चोर था वो वहाँ से भाग गया. What according to you should Jamshedji do now? So now what step Jamshedji should take? Then another is Jugnu. There was an abominable and cruel man named Jugnu. People were afraid of him as he could rob and kill anybody. So this is another incident of a person named Jugnu. This Jugnu was an abominable, मतलब बदतमीज, very bad, बदतमीज़ आदमी था. एंड ऑल द पीपल दे वर अफ्रेड ऑफ हिम, लोग उससे घबराते थे. एज ही कुड रॉब एंड किल एनीबडी. वाई पीपल वर अफ्रेड, लोग क्यों घबराते थे? वो किसी को भी लूटता था, किसी को भी मार डालता था. वन डे अ सोशल वर्कर visited that village. Since Jugnu's deeds were of a criminal offense, she filed a case against him in the district criminal court in order to save people from his terror. So one day a social worker, समाज सुधारक lady, she came to this village and she knew regarding the Jugnu's deed. जुगनू ये सब करता था, उसके बारे में पता चला. So she filed a case, उसने केस दर्ज किया डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्रिमिनल कोर्ट में, so that the people of that village may be free from the terror. He was tried in the court, but the lady lost the case as no one dared to speak against Jugnu. So now the case was there in the court, but the lady lost the case. वो हार गई लेडी और जुगनू जीत गया, क्योंकि जुगनू के खिलाफ कोई गवाही देने वाला नहीं था, सब लोग डरते थे जुगनू से. However, if people had stood witness against Jugnu without fear, what verdict would have been passed? And if people would have given the witness, उन लोगों ने जुबानी दे दी होगी जुगनू के बारे में, जुगनू के खिलाफ, तो there would be the verdict, जो फैसला आया था वो अलग ही होता. Then below is the mock court. How the court runs is shown in the picture. Now page number 25. There the certain words are given here which are used in the court or during the criminal and civil processes. The petitioner is a person who registered the case, जो केस फाइल करता है. जज इज अ पर्सन इन द कोर्ट हु गिव्स जस्टिस, जो न्याय देता है. लॉयर दैट इज एडवोकेट, वकील जो केस लड़ता है. सिविल केसेस आर द केसेस regarding land, property, etc. Then criminal case, these are the cases regarding theft, murder, robbery. अरेस्ट यानी जो क्रिमिनल होता है, जो गुनहगार होता है, उसको पुलिस पकड़ती है, उसे गिरफ्तार करती है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अरेस्ट. वारंट मीन्स टू अरेस्ट द क्रिमिनल द पेपर वर्क इज़ नीडेड. कोई गुनहगार को पकड़ने का है, क्रिमिनल को पकड़ने का है, तो उसके लिए पेपर चाहिए, वो पेपर वर्क को वारंट कहते हैं. अपील, इफ़ यू आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द जजमेंट यू कैन अपील द हायर कोर्ट. FIR, that is first information report. Client means a person whose case is fought by the lawyer. जो आदमी है जो केस लेता है, केस दर्ज करता है कोर्ट में, दैट इज़ क्लाइंट. विटनेस यानी साक्षी जो गवाह होता है केस का. कस्टडी यानी द पर्सन हु इज़ अरेस्टेड एंड केप्ट इन जेल. पुलिस जिसको पकड़ती है और जेल में रखती है उसे कस्टडी कहते हैं. देन डिटेल्स ऑफ क्राइम, वेयर टू फाइल अ केस एंड व्हाट टू डू. नाउ सर्टन क्राइम्स आर गिवन हियर. इन सच केस व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. तो थेफ्ट एट होम, घर पे चोरी हुई है, तो इट इज़ अ क्रिमिनल केस एंड यू हैव टू फाइल इट इन अ तालुका कोर्ट. टेकिंग पोजेसन ऑफ अनदर्स हाउस, दूसरों का घर ले लेने का ज़बरदस्ती, दैट इज़ अ सिविल केस इन तालुका कोर्ट. If one doesn't get justice from the taluka court, then that person can approach to the district court. Now turn your page number 26. Courts pass judgment. When a court has to investigate the matter minutely to avoid injustice, a case gets delayed. Now when a case is filed in the court, the judgment is to be given. Before giving the judgment, the case has to be investigated. Investigated means पूरी तरह से उसकी छानबीन करनी पड़ती है. And that takes time. So to get delayed, मतलब उसमें बहुत सारा टाइम, बहुत सारा कई साल भी लग जाते हैं. So to avoid this, so to reduce this workload, so काम बढ़ जाता है हाई कोर्ट में. So to reduce the workload, काम कम करने के लिए लोक अदालत have been put into practice. लोक अदालत्स are held, and these लोक अदालत they find solution for reconciliation. Reconciliation means compromise. जो लड़ाई झगड़ा है उसको सुलझाने का, कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करने का. सो हाई कोर्ट का जो काम है वो कम करने के लिए लोक अदालत्स आर ऑर्गेनाइज. एंड दिस लोक अदालत्स दे फाइंड सॉल्यूशन, रास्ता निकालते हैं फॉर कॉम्प्रोमाइज, रिकन्सिलिएशन. So students, here we have completed this chapter. For homework, we have to write the answers of this chapter in your workbook.